Do you want some water? Can I play with this? Can I play with this? Are you practicing drinking water? Max, do you want to give that to Daddy? Max, can I have that? Can I have that? Uh-oh, he spilled water. Can I have the straw? Can I have the straw? Oh, thank you. Can I keep it? Do you want it back? You want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye.